Favorite Korean dish na flavorful at di nawawalang side dish sa sanggipsalan? Kayang-kaya mo na din gawin sa bahay. Hi, it's me, Aimee, and today, gagawa tayo ng japchae. First, i-marinate muna natin yung beef sirloin or pwede din kayong gumamit ng beef sanggipsal sa soy sauce, sugar, garlic, at pepper for 30 minutes to 1 hour para mas maging flavorful. While waiting, gawin muna natin yung sauce. I-mix lang natin yung soy sauce, sugar, honey, sesame oil, at pepper. Then, i-mix lang mabuti hanggang matunaw yung sugar at mag-combine lahat ng flavor. Then, i-set aside muna natin. Next, mag-saute lang tayo ng onion, garlic, at scallion, then set aside. Sunod naman nating isaute yung mga vegetables natin, which are the carrots, bell pepper, at shiitake mushroom. Once cooked, set aside lang din muna natin. Sunod naman nating i-blanch sa hot water yung spinach. And kapag lumamig na, pwede na natin pigain para matanggal yung excess water, then set aside as well. Once ready na, pwede na nating i-chop or i-slice into strips. Next step is gawa naman tayo ng scrambled egg, then slice into strips once ready. Next step, after marinating, i-pan fry naman natin yung beef hanggang maluto, then set aside as well. Aside from sirloin, pwede rin kayong gumamit ng beef sanggupsal, yung maninipis lang ang cut para mas mabilis maluto. Next, lutuin naman natin yung Korean vermicelli. I-blanch lang natin sa hot water according sa instructions sa packaging hanggang maluto. Mabibili nyo pala itong Korean vermicelli sa any groceries na may Asian section or Korean grocery store. Once cook na yung noodles, pwede na nating i-drain yung tubig at idagdag natin yung sauce mixture, then haluin hanggang makot lahat ng vermicelli. Make sure lang din na haluin mabuti para well-coated lahat ng noodles. Then, pwede na natin idagdag yung beef, sauteed vegetables, at egg. Haluin lang din natin ng mabuti hanggang maging well-combined lahat ng ingredients. Ilalagay ko na lang pala sa comment section yung exact measurements na mga ginamit ko for this recipe. And lastly, lagyan natin ng toasted sesame seeds for extra nutty flavor and texture. And that's it! Ready to serve na ang ating japchae. Slightly sweet, savory, at full of Korean flavors. Perfect pang family meal, or pang Korean food cravings, or even side dish. So ayun lang, and don't forget to like, share, and follow my page for more recipe. See you on my next video. Bye!